Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman. I'm here joined today with the candidate for council, Simran Bhamu. Thank you very much for being here.
You're very welcome. It's my pleasure to be here.
So today we want to talk to you about why you're running on town council and what you hope to accomplish if you get elected.
Sure. Thank you so much for sharing this opportunity with me to be able to give all these answers here. It is an amazing platform, I believe. So I'll give you a brief background about myself and my family in this town. We've been here for almost last 4 years. It's my son and my husband in our family. For work, I have been in management roles with financial services, tourism and hospitality, and retail sectors. And why I'm running for this position is because I understand the importance of public services and the kind of impact the decisions from these positions will have on us, our future, and our kids' futures. And I believe that I have the time, energy, passion, and the knowledge that this role requires. And I think I will be able to be successful in this role through my business and interpersonal skills. I can prioritize, plan, and execute ideas in a professional manner, which I think we really desperately need right now. If elected, I would be focusing on 3 major things. One is the municipal services and programs. I want to make sure that they provide the best value for our tax dollars. And as I said before, I want to bring civility back to our council meetings and discussions, and I want council to earn its respect back from Orangeville residents. And also the third and most important is I want everyone to appreciate the beauty of living in Orangeville, and we can ensure it through making sure that our resources and talents are used in the best possible manner.
Okay, well, thank you very much, and that is a great example of why you would run. So I look forward to seeing how you do, and certainly we're going to have a few more questions to ask Simran, and I hope you stay tuned for our next video.